Parrot-fashion, learning language the Echoic way. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in the English language: parrot-fashion. This term is often used in language learning, and understanding its meaning can be quite beneficial. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, parrot-fashion, refers to the act of imitating or repeating something exactly as heard, without understanding its meaning. Just like a parrot repeats words without comprehending them, this phrase is used to describe a method of learning or memorizing that lacks depth or comprehension. It's often associated with rote learning, where repetition is the key to memorization. The origin of this phrase is quite literal, stemming from the way parrots mimic human speech. Over time, parrot-fashion has become a colloquial term used to describe learning by memorization without understanding. It's commonly used in educational contexts, especially when discussing language learning strategies or the drawbacks of rote memorization. Let's see parrot-fashion in action. 1. He learned the poem Parrot-fashion without understanding the deeper meanings behind the words. 2. Many students learn historical dates parrot-fashion for their exams. These examples illustrate how the phrase is used to describe learning that's focused on repetition rather than comprehension. In conclusion, parrot-fashion is a vivid phrase that helps us understand a particular style of learning, one that emphasizes repetition over understanding. It's a useful term to be aware of, especially in educational contexts. Remember, while repetition can be a valuable tool, true learning often requires understanding and critical thinking. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language.